guys, Antonio here, and we're starting a brand new series on the one thing. And today we're going to be talking about the first chapter on the one thing. So this chapter is all about making sure you ask yourself this one question. What is the one thing that you can do this week so that by doing it will make everything else in your life easier? What is that one thing that you could knock out? That big domino that you push over and it helps push over 10 other dominoes to make the rest of your life easier. Think about this. Now, I try to think about this in terms of days, in terms of weeks, in terms of months, in terms of years, whatever it is, okay? My bigger goals are based off of this. My lower goals are based off of this. Anything that you can do, you need to prioritize by doing things that will knock down the most dominoes to get you towards your goal, right? So this is about narrowing your concentration, narrowing your focus to this one thing. This way you can get the maximum output from this one thing, okay? So if you put more into it, you're gonna get more out of it. And if your focus varies, meaning if you're focused on 10 different things, so will your success, because you're not gonna be able to focus fully on one thing. That's not gonna allow you to work as hard, that's not gonna allow you to work as productively because you're spread so thin, okay? If you spread yourself thin, the problem is that you're dealing with limited resources. You don't have everything you can have, okay? So you need to make sure that your resources are put together, okay? Not separated. You want to focus and attack properly. So, if you enjoyed today's video on the one thing, guys, make sure to subscribe so you can follow along and check out the rest of the book with me as I teach you the lessons that go along. Make sure to donate to me on Patreon so I can keep making videos for this, like this, for you guys every single day. And as always, remember that a chapter a day allows for success to make way. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.